Hey, welcome everyone. I'm your host, BTM, and you have just landed on the very first episode of my new series, Best Deals on MacBids this month. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another guy talking about deals. Nope. We're not talking about 10% off or 20% off. We're talking about deals so insane they make your wallet high five your credit card. Every month, I'm sharing the biggest MacBid wins, how much I saved, and the exact strategies you can use too to get deals like these. And trust me, the first win is the best way to kick things off. Alright, so let's get straight to the star of our inaugural episode. Here it is. The Life Pro vibration plate exercise machine. If you've ever looked into quality home fitness gear, you know that this is a big name. The retail price for this machine is a hefty $199.99. Well, just call it $200. That's a serious investment in your health. My winning bid on MacBid, ridiculous, unbelievable, you have to be kidding me, price of $14. $14. That's a colossal 93% savings. Think about the absurdity of that. Imagine the cashier's face if you tried to pay $14 for a $200 item.
$14 for a $200 item. Are you serious right now?
Yeah, I'm a smart bidder.
This is the kind of deal that proves that being a smart bidder is better than being a big spender. So, what does a $14 machine look like? Let's crack it open. So, inside we get the platform, we get the power cord, some resistance, so I can pretend I'm working out my arms while legs are vibrating. Because true fitness is all about minimum effort, right? Now, it is surprisingly solid though. Heavy, stable, and definitely has the quality feel of a full price product. This isn't just a toy. Popular fitness gear used by athletes and seniors. And now I got it for the price of a takeout pizza. That's the truth. All right, enough talk. Let's turn it on. Whoa, okay, it's doing its thing. Now, if you're watching this demo and thinking, I need that machine right now, or maybe you just want to read the full specs, I'll put a link to the Life Pro vibration plate on Amazon down in the description below. That is an affiliate link, and anything you buy helps to support this channel at no extra cost to you. And you know, I only recommend deals that I actually use, so you know it's a winner. Now for the valuable part. Here's how I scored it. The MacBid strategy that keeps my prices rock bottom. Number one, set your max bid early. I capped mine at $20. You have to be disciplined. Once you cross that self-imposed line, you're not saving money. You're just winning an argument. I don't care about winning an argument. I want to save my money. Number two, the weekday window is your best friend. This auction closed midweek, right in the middle of a work week. Most of the competition was busy, working, Less traffic on the site means less competition, which means a lower price for us smart bidders. And number 3, stay calm and detached. Don't get emotionally invested if someone outbids you or past your limit. Just wave goodbye and start hunting for the next item. There's always another deal. My mantra is breathe, bid, or bounce. The 3 B's. Breathe, bid, or bounce. So that's the legendary $14 Life Pro plate, our very first MacBid win for the series. Retailing at $199.99, my price $14, 93% off. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you spend $200 on this or take a deal for 14 bucks? Let me know in the comment below. And if you thought this deal was good, you're going to love what we unboxed in episode 2. We managed to get our hands on the highly sought after Elgato teleprompter, a total game changer for creators, and the price I paid was almost criminal. So, if you want to try your own luck getting these kinds of deals, my personal MacBid referral link is also waiting for you in the description below. Using it is a huge help for the channel, and it might help you to start your journey to getting those $14 deals. You don't want to miss out on the next one, so smash that doggone subscribe button. Give me a like, hit that notification bell so you're ready when we get our next haul. Until then, keep bidding, keep saving, and I'll see you in episode 2.